Hi, welcome everyone. Today we'll be discussing Siberian snow cover. We'll be looking at sea ice extent, um, a brief overview of weather in the UK and the current extremes from yesterday across the country. First, we'll look at the snow cover over North America. Here you can see there is some snow in North America, but not an overly huge amount. Um, No real freezing in the Hudson Bay yet, although it's still early. Next, we'll look at towards Alaska and eastern Siberia. Here you can see eastern Siberia has significant widespread snow cover. The sea ice extent is quite a lot around the Bering Strait, not so much to the east. And lastly, we will look at Northern Hemisphere snow cover. As you can see, there is not much snow in Europe yet, although there are signs that there could be some colder air coming within the next week or so, towards the middle end of November. Although here you can see a large area of snow in Siberia. We did have a very quick start and expansion of Siberian snow cover this year. Frankly, hoping it's going to be a cold winter, and there are signs pointing towards it could be a cold winter. It is a La Nina this year, and with the extra Siberian snow cover, we could be in luck. I do not think it's going to be with as little snow as last year. Last year was a poor year. And then here is the current sea ice extent. You can see it's well below average north of Scandinavia, but it's on par in the Bering Strait. Here is sea ice concentration. And here you can see the record low of 2012, the death spiral. But here is 2015. We did not get it as low, although it has been quite slow to climb up. But it is still early in the season. Now let's have a look at the UK weather over the next 2 days. It's going to be quite a wet regime, with a large area of rain moving in from the southwest tomorrow, and it will sweep across Wales and up towards Scotland. And then the daily extremes. The warmest place in the United Kingdom yesterday was Norfolk in London, northwest London, 15.4 degrees. And the lowest minimum was in Atanara in north of Scotland, just a little bit inland away from the coast. I believe it got colder, but obviously this is only in 24 hours. I believe it got -2 there last night. Um, and the wettest place was Whitechurch with 18.6 millimeters. And the sunniest was Manston with 6.9 hours of sun. It's too bad we didn't see that over here in Wales. And here's the Orkney Highlands and the Highlands, which we get again the coldest temperature there. And here's all the others. In England, look at that. North England was very cloudy. And that's really all we are planning on looking at today. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again.